Hi, I'm Larry Greenawalt. I'm here at Thompson Pump doing a in-person training class on our machines. Over 3 days, we're going from the classroom all the way to the shop floor and getting hands-on with the machines. It's been great. Well, I've been with Eurotech for about 35 years now. I love it. I love what I do. I love helping people. I love training people. It excites me when I see somebody taking something we've taught them, and this is a teach a man to fish situation. The training that Eurotech provides for free, we do these trainings regularly around the country, and we also offer a whole library of online training on our website. All that is tremendously important. The more you know about the equipment, the more you're able to do and understand it, and it's in our interest to make sure you have that ability.